TikTok is now on the clock. The owners of the popular social media website have 9 months to sell or face a federal ban. Today, the head of TikTok and Texas Senator John Cornyn noted this fight is far from over. Fox 7 Austin's Rudy Koski in studio with reaction. Rudy.
Hi, Mike. This sell or be banned bill was signed yesterday by President Biden. It was clear before the ink on that presidential signature was dry. This battle was moving from Capitol Hill to a courtroom. TikTok is owned by a company called ByteDance. The legislation, now signed by President Biden, is part of a larger national security package that includes military aid to Israel. The head of TikTok, in an online post Wednesday, promised to fight the law in court. He claimed it violates free speech and is unconstitutional. Now, Texas Senator John Cornyn today said the bill is not a ban. He called it a divestment order. Senator Cornyn also made it clear his vote is based on his concern that the social media app is a security risk because ByteDance is linked to the leadership of Communist China.
I don't think most people understand that they literally own your phone. If, in other words, all your contacts, your messages, your emails, your texts, everything you have on your phone is basically controlled by TikTok. So 170 million people have used it, and hopefully they'll make a good decision to sell it to some non-communist party company, and people can continue to enjoy it, but with the security of knowing that it's not being used to undermine them or steal their data.
Rest assured, we aren't going anywhere. We are confident, and we will keep fighting for your rights in the courts. The facts and the Constitution are on our side, and we expect to prevail again.
I did see that TikTok is not going away quietly. They're going to fight this in the courts, and this is a huge moneymaker for them, obviously, but it's also a huge propaganda tool and a way, as I mentioned a moment ago, to vacuum up to unwittingly for the users a whole lot of information that can be used. I doubt most people are comfortable sharing.
Now, as touched on in that last exchange, previous broad attempts at a TikTok ban have been struck down by a couple of federal judges, but a narrow ban enacted right here in Texas, that remains in place. Back in 2022, Governor Greg Abbott issuing an executive order that prevents the app from being put on any state-owned devices and state-owned network. A lawsuit against Abbott's order, filed by several university professors, failed after a judge ruled the Texas restriction was reasonable.